minus integral of sine is negative cos. So negative cos x. Instead of saying plus c, I'm ignoring this plus c. That's my question. Why? Not Lillian, please. There should be plus c here. Why? Why am I ignoring it?
For after you integrate.
For what?
After you integrate, why we ignore c?
I didn't hear that.
Are you asking why we ignore c?
Yeah, that's the question.
Oh,
I
because
just said it.
when you when you have the two numbers, right? When you
I don't know what you mean by two numbers.
You don't need it indefinitely.
Thank you. Let's go straight to the point. Stop beating about the bush. I don't need story. We don't do that in definite integral. Not when I have two numbers. We don't need all the story. Go straight to the point. So, we can substitute. Or we can write it properly first. A x cos x sine, right? Then plus cos x. 0 pi over 2. So now we have the result of the integral because we may need it in further calculations as well. This will be the last question anyway, but I think I should take a picture of this first so we can use this part. You can write a brief stuff before I finish creating more space here. Sorry, Mr. Bean. Okay, quickly. Then you can finish this on your own. When you substitute, what do we have? A bracket, yes, quickly. Pi over 2,
Pi over 2.
Sine pi over 2 plus cos pi over 2 equals to, this is cos, what? What's minus?
No, because you need.
Oh, my bad, sorry. Yes, okay. So like this.
Yeah.
Yes?
0.
0,
Sine 0.
sine 0.
Plus 0.
Thank you. So sine 0 gone, cos this is gone, right? This is 1, so A, you have pi over 2 times 1, then minus 1, right? So this will be A bracket pi minus 2 over 2. Am I right? So A is basically the other way, 2 over pi minus 2. Is that what the question says? Right? Show that A is equal to something. Question 10. Talk to me, please.
Yes.
So B, so that's 5 questions, 5 points. Not bad. Probability that X is less than pi over 4. Yes, quickly. Anyone? Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. I have just a few minutes to get out of here.
Integral
Integral from 0 to, exactly. X less than everything below it. Okay? So of f of x, right?
Yes.
dx. But we have integrated f of x to dx already. Right? So we can just substitute that. What do we have? X sine x, right? Plus cos x within 0 and pi over 4. So you complete that. Talk to me, please. Understand? Hello? What is Karen asking? Ask me question. I need everyone focusing on this one. Stop talking about whatever else. Do you understand what is the problem there?
Why don't we put
Please
in
focus on this. What?
Why don't we put in the front of x sine x plus cos x?
What do you mean?
It should be A.
I didn't get your
Because
question.
A is part of the function.
A is part of the
so
function.
you should also.
It's part of the first question?
It's part
No,
of
no,
the
it's
function.
part of the function. So we should have that in there as well. Because remember that down there we have a bracket and then like x sine x plus cos x. So yeah, that was what
Sorry,
you're
sorry.
talking about.
Yeah.
Sorry. So now that we have our A, right?
Yeah.
So our A is 2 over pi minus 2. Thanks for that. This is why I need everyone focusing on the problem and not talking about something else, please.
That's what Karen was talking
Okay,
about.
so, but she could have spoken louder because I just assumed they are talking about something else. Speak louder, not chit-chat side talks. So separate this, do your substitution, and multiply out. Alright? Okay, so C. C is asking for the mode. How do we find the mode? Good question. Mode of X. What does mode mean? Actually, this mode and median should have been discussed next lesson because that is when I'm discussing the center and the spread. So I don't know why I put it in this question. I must have copied the wrong question into just finding PDF. Yes? From your previous knowledge, we will talk about it extensively next time. So I actually won't do this. What do you understand by mode?
The range of the highest probability.
Highest probability. So your probability is a function. When that function is higher, what is the value of X at maximum of that function? If you are drawing a curve, okay, where you have that local maximum, what is the value of X at that point? Okay, we discussed that extensively. Similarly, median. What do you understand by median from previous class?
Middle value.
What do we mean by middle this time around?
You take the first
Use your knowledge of discrete random variable. It works here too.
50th percentile.
Speak louder, please.
50th percentile.
I can't hear you.
50th percentile.
50th percentile. What does it mean in probability distribution? What does 50th percentile mean in probability distribution? Yes?
Probability is 0.5.
I still can't hear.
Probability is 0.5.
Probability
0.5.
0.5. Say that again?
Yeah, 0.5.
You know, I can't hardly hear you.
No, probability is 0.5.
Probability 0.5. Not, you didn't put it right. You can't just say probability 0.5. The cumulative probability of 0.5, not probability 0.5. That is from the beginning. So basically, it is that point, P. You know, it's from 0 to a particular value of X, right? So this value X is equal to maybe Xi from 0, where this f of X is equal to 0.5. That gives you your median. We'll talk about it tomorrow. Don't worry about that today. Okay, I just wanted to focus on investigating this for today and calculating probability within the interval. Don't worry about mean and mode yet. We'll talk about that next lesson, sorry, not tomorrow. And the last but not the least is asking for a conditional probability. Probability that X less than pi over 8, given that X less than pi over 4. Conditional probability, tell me what you remember. Probability of something given something. Yes? I have 2 minutes, guys. Probability of X given something. Probability of something given something. All you have to remember is conditional probability. We just did that last month. Come on. I don't want to hear, isn't it? Tell me what it is. No guessing. Don't open your book. So it means if I give you an unannounced test about conditional probability, you don't even remember how to do conditional probability. That is disappointing. What is the conditional probability of A given B? Are you telling me you don't remember this? Or is it because I'm not using A and B this time? You see someone is speaking because this is not A and B. Come on, you're a math student. You shouldn't be just one directional kind of learning. I don't know how to put that. If it is not A and B, you are confused. Come on. You're HL students. What is the probability for this? Speak louder, please.
Probability of A
Probability of.
intersection A
Uh-huh.
divided by probability of B.
So if you remember this, what is the problem with this? Or maybe I label it for you. That's what you want. Your babies, everything has to be labeled for you. It's quite disappointing. I wasn't expecting that. Yes? If you're speaking, speak louder. A lot of noise over there. You're using a very low tone. I hate asking people to speak. I've said that over 1,000,000 times. Yes, please.
Probability of X less than
Probability of
X less than
x less than
pi over
what?
pi over 8
Pi over 8.
intersection X less than
Intersection, okay, obviously. It will be intersection. Let's write that first.
over
Divided by.
probability of X less than pi.
So the question is, what does this mean? The other one is okay, because that's just integral. I think that is the result from here. What does this mean? Can we write this like this? X less than pi over 8 and x less than pi over 4. What does that mean?
X less than pi over 8.
Say that again. Pi over.
Pi over 8. X less than pi over 8.
Say that again.
X less than pi over
Pi over what?
8.
8. Who does not understand why? If x is less than pi over 8 and at the same time x is less than pi over 4, intersection means the common region. What is the common region when you have pi over 8 and pi over 4? The common region will be the smaller region. Come on, you guys are better than this. Stop doing this. Some of you know the first line. You are just, something is just telling you, discouraging you. Oh no, that doesn't make sense to say. And you kept quiet. So if there's an exam, you leave that paper blank because something is telling you that is not a sensible thing to write. Who cares if it is sensible or not? Just write it down. Let me be the one to judge that no, you don't speak like that in mathematics. Of course, I've never seen anyone writing equality like this. But if that is the first thing that can enable you understand the main thing, nobody's going to query you for writing that. You're simply saying the set, this and this set. Worst case scenario, you can put it in set notation. You can put a curly bracket. Oh, probability that this set and this set divided by probability of this set. We're talking about set here. It's an interval. Isn't that a set of numbers as well? So find this integral. This integral is just copy and paste. This is the only one you need to find. And whatever you get is your probability. I'll see you tomorrow. And I think in finding it, I think you can actually eliminate this directly. Or you can just use the final answer, whatever it is. Please write exact values. Okay. Don't use 0 point yet, because it's going to affect this one. Or you can make use of 0 point here, but remember the exact value and whatever you need to do. Thank you. See you.